So my friends, I have decided to go on a low carb diet. I like rice. I needed something that will help me. I went on Amazon and I found this low carb rice cooker. You can also make your vegetables in this. You can also bake a cake, which I won't be needing at the moment. As always, if you want to pick this up or know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. If you find the video helpful, a like would be appreciated, and please subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get some paperwork, warranty information, user manual, spoon, measuring cup. You can use this for vegetables and you can also use it for low carb rice. It has some markings there. That's the inner bowl. Just to quickly mention, this is the 2 litre capacity one. You can get a larger one as well. It has ceramic coating on it. It's non-stick. It has some markings in there. It has some markings on this side. That's what it looks like from the bottom. Inside of the rice cooker. You can remove this top bit to clean it further. You just push this and you pull that out. You put it back in, you just hold it and push it in. The rice cooker has a beautiful display. Start, stop button here, menu button here to cycle through the different presets. Keep warm button, delay time. You can delay the time from 30 minutes all the way up to 12 hours. You could go up in minutes or hour. Cancel button there as well. So we've got 1 cup of rice. We've washed the rice. Let's put this in. The rice in there. Now where it says cup, I'm going to fill it up to the line where it says 1.0. Let's close this. Push start. Low carb, it's already on there. I just push start. I missed the beep because it doesn't give a timer when it's doing the low carb rice. It just keeps spinning. I think it took around 20 minutes or thereabouts. That's how much water is left in the bowl. They've come out really good. They're slightly dry, but not too dry. I've tasted them and they taste okay to me, but that's up to your taste. But these are low carb rice, so it gets rid of the starch. We have made normal rice in them. They've come out perfect. We've also made vegetables. It's easy to clean, easy to store. The only slight criticism I have, it's not a deal breaker, but I would have liked to see a timer on there, so then you know what you're doing. Like you could put the rice on, just say it's gonna, like these rice took around 20 minutes. You could have gone and done something else, but this just keeps spinning around, so you don't have a clue. But then again, I think they've added the 12-hour timer for this. It's meant for 1 to 2 people. So it's like for, if you've got a busy lifestyle, if you're going to work, you could set the rice to cook. Say you put an 8-hour timer on. By the time you come home, your food will be ready. That's a really good feature, that. So again, it's not a deal breaker. It's just something I thought I'll mention. In my opinion, it's a decent rice cooker. If you want to pick it up, check the link out in the description box below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.